Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to create viral product video with AI for free. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how to use AI too. So with that being said, let's get started. So welcome back to this video. If you go to this particular website right here, jog.ai. So on getting to the site, it takes you to this particular web page. Convert URL into engaging video ads in minutes. It's as simple as that. Now you can simply scroll down and see what are the platform compatibility with this particular website. Okay, so just like so, the compatibility platform here is Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, App Store, and Boost Exposure, Engagement, etc. You can simply scroll down and see more. So this simply means that if you want to create product video for ads, you have to make sure that your product is on Amazon or Shopify or TikTok, or you have the product on App Store, as the case may be. You can scroll down and see how the sample of your product video is going to look like. These are sample right here. You can simply scroll down and then you can read detail. Then you can scroll down right here how this particular site works, so you can see how it works. Okay, it's just a simple 3-step. The first step here is input your URL, analyze the template, and select avatar and a template that you want to use for your video. Then generate your video as the case may be. You can scroll down and see everything about how best you use this particular website. Now, to get started for free, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, simply click on Get Started. Then the next thing you need to do is simply come here, click on Continue to Google, then choose your Google account. Then right here, you have to simply scroll down and enter your mobile number that you can use to receive verification code in case you forgot your login detail. Okay. Then right here, you have to simply scroll down and then enter your mobile number. So I'm going to enter my mobile number right here. Then click on Get Code. Then I will enter my code right here, 710428. Just like so. Then I will simply scroll down and I'll click on Next. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on Continue right here. Then right here, you need to enter simple questionnaire. So you can decide to choose freelancer, then click on Continue. Which industry do you primarily work in? So you can simply click on Order or choose any industry that answer your question. Click on Continue. Then right here, what is your primary goal with our AI video creation? So our primary goal here is convert URL to video. Then click on Next. Then right here, which platform do you primarily publish your video? So you can choose your platform right here or simply click on Order. Then click on Continue. Then how frequently do you create video? So once in a week. Then click on Submit. So just like so, now you have been taken into your dashboard. Right here, you can see Amazon, Shopify, EST, Chain, eBay, Apple, and Google Play Store, WordPress website, etc. These are the URL that is supported to create free video on this particular website. Then you can simply scroll down and see some of the templates right here. So you can see the more you scroll down, then the more template is going to load up, just like so. Now we want to see how we can simply create a product video. So what we want to do is that we need to make sure we need to make sure that we follow the support format. So I'm going to go to Amazon store right here. Then I will choose a product link. I'm going to scroll down. Then I will simply create a product link for, I will simply create a product video for a particular product. Like this particular one right here, I'm going to create a product video for this product. I will just click on the product link. Then it's loaded up to the product sales page. Now for us to get the product link, we need to come to the address bar right here. We'll click on it. Then we right click on it and then we'll make sure we click on copy. Then the next thing we want to do is to go back to our AI website. Then we come here, we right click again and paste our link right here. Then we click on analyze the URL right here. So you can see it has successfully analyzed the product detail, and everything has been broken down into pieces such as product description, product name, and the product link. Next thing we want to do here, if you don't have anything to edit here, we simply click on next. So at this point here, we need to choose the aspect ratio and the seconds of the video. Now, if you want a full screen video, we have to make sure we choose 9:16 ratio. If you want something like TikTok or Instagram, we have to make sure we choose 16:9 ratio. Then video length can be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. I'm going to leave it in 15 seconds. Then you can enter your target audience. You can choose your language right here. I'm going to leave it in English language. So then I'll click on next. Then AI is going to successfully write the script. You can edit your script if you don't like the result right here. And then next thing you need to do is simply click on next. So AI is going to create a simple script. Right here, you will need to choose your favorite script. So right here, I'm going to put it in AI script, and then I'll click on next. Now we have the products video in a preview, just like so. Then you can scroll down and check on the product video. Now we can simply click on here to play the video. So with subtitle, you can see it right here. Now, once you're satisfied with the product video, next thing you want to do is to simply click on render. But if you have anything you want to correct from the product video, you can simply click on go back to do whatever correction you want to do. Then I'm going to scroll down right here. You can see the layout and everything about the video. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on render. Then the next thing you need to do right here is to simply click on submit. So the video I've successfully produced, we can still play the preview right here. So just like so, we have our video right here. Then we can simply download the video into our PC. And for us to download the video, we need to simply click on these three dots right here, and we'll make sure we click on download. Then in a few seconds, the video is going to be prepared and successfully download into our PC. So basically, this is how to create viral product video with free AI tool. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial on how best to use AI tool for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.